Assalamu alaikum. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to study about unit number 5, page number 28, and the topic is how plants make food. We all know that plants make their own food, but how? Today we are going to study how do they make food. Photosynthesis. 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 Say with me loudly, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process by which plants use sunlight, they use water and carbon dioxide to make food for themselves. What is carbon dioxide? It is something present in the air. So they use light energy, it means sunlight. They use air, which is air contains carbon dioxide, and it uses water. They take water from the soil and then they make their own food. The green color in most plants comes from a chemical called chlorophyll. So the green color in the plant, it is because of chlorophyll. During the when it is the daytime, the chlorophyll takes energy from the daytime. The chlorophyll is taking energy from the sunlight and it is doing what? It is making food. Plant use this energy to make food. The food is made from water, minerals and carbon dioxide. Where is it taking the minerals from? From the soil. So the water, it is taking water from the soil, it is taking minerals from the soil, it is taking carbon dioxide from the air and the light energy from the sunlight. The food is, at the same time, plants also make oxygen. They make oxygen for the environment. Environment means we live in the environment and the oxygen is released in the air, so we use that oxygen to breathe. Who? Humans. Humans breathe that oxygen to breathe. Okay? And give out what they do not need. So they need carbon dioxide, they take it. They don't need oxygen, they give it outside. Okay? See the arrows. The carbon dioxide they are taking and the oxygen they are giving. So we see that the plants are very useful. They produce the oxygen that we need to stay alive. Yes, we take this oxygen and we stay alive because of this oxygen. The food made by the plant is used to make it grow. So it grows with the help of the food it is making. It makes food, it uses it and it grows. The food may be stored in the root, it may be stored in the stem, it may be stored in the leaves, it may be stored in the fruits and it may be stored in the seeds. The food which the plant is making, it can be stored anywhere and then it uses the food. If plants could not turn the sun's energy into food, humans and animals all would die. This is because we eat all sorts of things that grow on plants such as leaves, seeds, fruits, roots, nuts and vegetables. So they are saying that if they cannot convert this sunlight energy into their food and if they do not give oxygen, we can die. And where the food is present, the fruit can be in the leaves and we eat leaves. The fruit can be in seeds, in fruits, in roots, nuts and vegetables. If we don't have this food, we will die. Because plants are producers, they produce fruit for the humans and all other animals. Now see, fill in the blanks. Every plant, this is page number 29. Every plant starts life as a what? As a seed. A seed dash when it begins to grow into a plant. It germinates. Say with me, germinates. So a seed germinates when it begins to grow into a plant. The seed is inside the plant's what? Fruit. The seed is inside the plant's fruit. Seeds are spread by wind, water and animals. Seeds are spread by wind, water and animals. Plants make their own food using energy from the dash from the sun. Now see, they are talking about the life cycle of plant. Okay, so what is the first step? The seed germinates, first step. Then what happens? The plant grows is the second step. Then what happens? The plant flowers. It means the flowers can be seen, third step. Number 4, the flower produces fruits. This is the fourth step. Number 5, the fruit releases seeds. It is the fifth step. and a new life cycle begins. Like with the help of the seeds, a new life cycle begins. So right here 6. Okay,